You're charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine.
Officers were dispatched in reference to an assault. Officers met with the complainant who was in a dating relationship with the defendant. He stated that he got into a verbal argument with the defendant over a photo. The defendant began to throw items at the complainant, telling him he needed to leave her apartment. The defendant began pushing him, scratching him, biting and punching him in the face with a closed fist. The complainant had a bite mark on his left forearm and scratches over his neck and left upper arm, which caused the complainant pain. And the defendant was ID'd by the Texas driver's license. Her criminal history has a juvenile resisting in 09 in Grimes that was dismissed. Assault of a family member was in Grimes as well was dismissed. She has a theft out of county in Missouri, Brazos, that was 1 year deferred adjournment. 2 charges of possession of marijuana and another assault of a family member back in 18.
That was dismissed.
That was my charge.
What's the relationship, do you know, of the complaining witness to Miss Moore?
This one?
Yeah.
They said they were in a dating relationship, Your Honor.
You're 29. What do you do for a living, man?
I'm in school. Sorry. I work in sales, but I'm in school. I'm studying to be a teacher. I work.
You're studying to be a teacher?
Yes, sir. And I'm working as a sales representative right now, full time.
Oh, hold on a second. Are you really studying to be a teacher?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, with criminal history like that, and you've now picked up an assault? Really? Tell me, what do you think a school district is going to see or think when they see priors like that?
They're going to hire me.
Right. You know why? No self-control. You get into, I'm going to tell you now, middle school sucks. And elementary school is even worse. The kids are like little Tasmanian devils. They never shut up. They never stop. How is it that if you can't control yourself here, you're going to be able to control yourself with 25 Tasmanian devils screaming, cursing? Really, consider that when you're out there in everyday life. Because if you don't have any self-control, how are you going to do it? I'm telling you, middle school, high school, elementary school, it's the worst. I can't believe some of the stuff that they do. I have 4 kids. I can't believe the stuff that they tell me now. How much of an income do you have monthly coming in?
$1,500 maybe.
Do you have any children?
No.
I'll give you an application for an appointed lawyer. We're going to have to figure something out as far as where you're going to go and how we're going to deal, because the problem is I don't know if the complaining witness in this case even wants to have contact with you. I want to honor his wishes. If he tells me that he does not want to have contact with you, I'm barring you from having no contact. I want to honor his wishes. That's my only concern. That and public safety. If I find that you violate either, I'm going to make your bond so high, you'll be stuck like Chuck. Hey, Mr. Jones, do you mind filing no contact, no weapons, no going back, please?
No problem. No more back to the residence?
Correct. For now, until we figure out, hey, Ramona, for Miss Moore, can you reach out to the mat? I'm going to have you go to Ramona. We're going to have you sign a reset. After that, I'll have you take your seat in the juror box. Do not leave until you sign our bond conditions, and then I'll have you talk to lawyer today, man.